Hi everybody, it's Michael Haddad with the Diamond Family. Thank you so much for watching as always. This video is to tell you about our jewelry repair services. We've been in business since 1978, going 45 years strong right now. So needless to say, we've got the hang of it, but we did want to get in a little more detail and tell you just what we're all about when it comes to repairing your jewelry. First and foremost, it is done on site right here. We're going to show you our facility in a minute here, but that's super important. When you do it with a business that does the repair on site, you really minimize the horror stories that can take place with jewelry being shipped around and getting outside of the four walls of the Diamond Family. It's also done really quick around here. We've got 2 guys working on the bench. They are amazing, highly skilled, always going to continued education, so we can get you in and out really quick. Also because we do it in the store. We also warranty our work. Even if you did not buy your merchandise from here, we will repair it and we will honor our work for a full 1 year. Like I said before, we've got a state-of-the-art facility. Here's the guys working on the bench today. This is David. In the back is Ricardo. They're absolutely family to us here. Everybody knows them. You can feel free to ask them questions, which is a really cool feature in a bench man. We don't need appointments, but they are recommended. So you can call the store at 636-391-6622, or you can go to thediamondfamily.com to schedule your appointment. Thank you so much. We really look forward to serving you. Have a great day.